Hi. About being different. You know, sometimes we're afraid to be different. We like to be part of, the main thing, the mainstream, and even those of us who doesn't want to be part of the main, they choose a different group, yeah, and then in that group they have the group identity, and they can lose themselves in whatever identity. It can be the mainstream identity or some external stream identity. But it's okay, it's safe to be who we are. It's absolutely natural. Yeah, it was designed, it looked at our fingerprint, the shape of our faces, particular structure of our eyes. Yeah, we are meant to be different. We're actually meant to be different, and each one of us carry skills and abilities and colors and music that we can contribute to the music of life and to the dance of life, and to what life can offer. Look at it as like there's a huge table, and we all come to a joint meal. All the human race, we come together to a joint meal, and each one of us bring our own dish, and we put it on the table for everybody to share, yeah, and enjoy our particular way of cooking. Yeah, and when we taste from other people, and we enjoy their style and of cooking and their flavors and whatever they have. Us make it so rich. Yeah? So when you think about yourself sometimes, and you think maybe I'm a bit weird, or I'm not like everybody else, or maybe I should be like. Don't worry about it. Don't let yourself worry about it. Enjoy who you are. If you need, you can even make a list. The things about you that you're proud of. Yeah, that you like about yourself, things about you that you want to change, maybe get better, yeah, have some goals, things where you want to improve, but do it softly, do it gently, do it with love, because there's only one like you, and we need you, we need each one of us to be themselves, yeah, so that together we can be richer, yeah, and the music will be richer, yeah, so we have our own particular contribution. So next time when you think about it, just think yourself, oh, well, I'm different, and be proud of it. Not in the sense of ego, not in the sense I'm better or less than somebody else, just because it is me, yeah? And I have my particular voice and particular things to say that are unique to me, yeah? Doesn't make me better than other people. I don't have to be better than anybody, yeah? It's not a competition. Life is not a competition. Life is a together thing, yeah? We need together to help each other. Those of us who can help will help other, those who need help in one area, and maybe in another area they will help us, So we share, yeah? Because none of us can do everything and be good at everything, yeah? So smile, be happy, and look after yourself, yeah? And be proud of who you are, and what we as humans can do and represent. All the best. Bye bye.